Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to destroy barricades in Rainbow Six Mobile. Now, barricades are those wooden barriers found across the map. If you want to push into the building or catch enemies off guard, you'll need to break through them the right way. The simplest way to destroy a barricade is by meleeing it. Just walk up to it and hit it a few times and it'll break open. This is quick and doesn't use any resources, but it does make noise, so enemies nearby will know you're coming. Another way is by shooting the barricade. You can fire at it to break sections or open a small hole to peek through. This is useful if you want to check what's on the other side without fully exposing yourself. You can also use explosives or operator gadgets to destroy barricades instantly. This is the fastest method and can catch enemies off guard, especially if you combine it with a quick push right after. A good tip is to think about timing. Don't just break barricades randomly, try to coordinate with your team or create distractions so enemies aren't ready for your entry. And that's about it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!